Good morning, everyone, and welcome to Vancouver Island Bushcraft. Hey, I got a couple of products I wanted to show you. Definitely usable for bushcraft and prepping. A couple of things that I saw on YouTube I grabbed, and I thought these are really great products, and it's for stuff that gets damaged. It's for repairing different products. The first product that I have it's called FiberFix Repair Wrap, and it's 100 times stronger than duct tape. And it actually shows the stuff that you can repair. And we're talking like shovels, paddles, parts of your car, frames for bicycles and stuff like that. So extremely strong repairs. I mean, to be able to take the pressure of a shovel going into the dirt, that's a pretty good, it's a pretty good amount of pressure. And I saw this on YouTube actually, and these guys were using this, and they were using these products that they were repairing, and everything was perfectly good. So I'm just going to show you what's in the package. You get the roll itself. I got 3 different sizes. I got a I guess that's a 3-inch, a 2-inch, and a 1-inch, I guess here. And what you get in the package is some rubber gloves, a couple of pieces of vinyl to wrap after, and some sandpaper. And literally, there's not much to it, really. You basically, you're scraping whatever happens to be, put your gloves on, put the stuff in the water for 5 seconds, wrap it with the fiberglass stuff, then wrap it with the vinyl, and then you wait 10 to 15 minutes and it's fixed. So I'm thinking for bushcrafters, especially the small ones, stuff like tent poles and that kind of thing, anything that has any kind of a pole, like say an expandable shovel. Let's see, what else could be? Tripods that are made, all sorts of stuff. Those of us to do recording, the big tripods, if one of the legs break, fix one of those. So really handy product to have, and I thought I'd share it with you. Again, it's called FiberFix, and I got it on Amazon. This was a pack of 3. It was the cheapest one. There's 3 different sizes, and it wasn't very expensive at all. And the second thing that I thought would be really good to have in my pack is zipper repair. My backpack, I have a couple from that are cheaper from AliExpress, and I had one of the zippers break, and I had to use Gorilla Tape to wrap it around. And if I had had a zipper repair tool, I would have been able to fix them. So I looked on Amazon, and I got one that's got repairs for pretty much every kind of zipper. And this is what I got from Amazon. It was just in a yellow bag, but is these large zippers, number 5s, number 8s, and numbers 10s, number 4.5 and 5s repairs, 3, 5, 8, and 10 sliders, and then the little metal things that clip the end of the zipper so it doesn't come apart. And I thought, what a great idea. And if you look on YouTube, there's different YouTube videos on how to use this product. But I mean, how many times have we gone out and the zipper on our sleeping bag has died, or on our jacket, you can't do up your jacket in the middle of winter or something like that? How handy would it be to have these spare zippers? Maybe on the product itself, have a spare zipper for the actual size of the pocket, or the size of the zipper on the jacket in your pocket, in a Ziploc bag and ready to go, or in your sleeping bag pouch, ready to go. So a couple of products I thought you'd be interested in knowing about. Both of these from Amazon.ca. Obviously Amazon.com will have them as well. And yeah, I can't wait to try the products when necessary. But I thought, what a great preemptive repair tools to have just in case I need them. Okay guys, take care. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Share and like, and you guys have a fantastic day.